I am extremely thirsty. Hey, it's AKAJK, and today I have another vlog on the channel. I've been doing this daily for like 5 days now. It's pretty legit. If you guys are enjoying this daily madness, then let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, I did say I was extremely thirsty. I'm also pretty hungry. Problem is that I can't eat or drink anything because I'm fasting. Fasting is where you can't eat or drink anything until sunset. So you start at sunrise, end at sunset. That's pretty much Ramadan. And if you do not know anything about Ramadan, then go and check out the vlog that I did make about it a few days ago. I'm just extremely thirsty. I also played some basketball games today. That didn't help at all. So yeah, I'm even more thirsty. But obviously we still have to survive with the thirst and just sort of survive in the environment that I am in. I still do have a lot. Why did I zoom in? I still do have a ton of homework and end of year exams and revision to do. If you checked out yesterday's vlog, it was pretty depressing. That depression carries on into today. Also, I didn't watch Deadpool 2 yesterday. I'll try and watch it as soon as possible. I was told it was amazing, and that was a pretty legit cameo. So yeah, I'm excited to watch it. I think I know what the cameo is. I'm not going to tell you anything. I don't want to spoil anything for you. I obviously haven't watched it, so don't spoil it for me, and don't spoil it for any other viewers that are watching this video. Anyway, I gotta go and grind the homework, and I got an edit to do. So let's go. The grind is not glamorous, but we got there in the end. 10 minutes away from iftar time. I can eat and drink in 10 minutes. Now a lot of the thirst is going down and the hunger is going up. But anyway, my lord. Usually when I come back home, the thirst kind of goes down and the hunger goes up because there's less running and stuff like that. Oh my lord, I'm tired now. I just ran up the stairs so I can go and get the vlog camera. But anyway, kids, let's go. That wasn't a good spin. We'll spin right the way down. We are here. The table is getting prepared behind me. My sister's watching TV. And then, yeah, I am extremely hungry and thirsty, so if you guys are, then we can eat at the same time, so go and grab some food and enjoy the rest of the vlog. And if you're not, then go and grab a drink and then we can drink together. Squad. Anyway, let me go and get the rest of this table sorted out, and then you can see. So is it the 4th day of Ramadan? What? 4th day of Ramadan? Yeah. So the 4th day of Ramadan is iftar. Let's go. And my mum thinks it's okay to buy this much Kit Kat. I know it's crazy, and it definitely is. And I'm gonna eat all of it.